It's your boy DC Banks out here in Monroe, Louisiana for St. Paul. This is Juneteenth. Your boy DC Banks out here in Monroe, Louisiana at the Billboards of Desiard. It's down Papi Loco. I'm here at Papi Loco and I'm finna try out these tacos. I'm gonna show you on the menu. And I'm out here trying to kind of like see what's going on, how they celebrate it. I mean, I wanted to get down there to Grambling University, but I wasn't able to make it. It's your boy DC Banks out here in Monroe, Louisiana at Forsyth Park. It is Juneteenth weekend. I wanted to bring y'all a little bit more culture as far as everything that goes on with it. But I wanted to do it on Grambling campus. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I wasn't able to get down there, right? So where I'm at now is Forsyth Park. It's where they reconstructing everything. Most of the bases catering to the kids, as y'all can see. I gave y'all the visual of it. I don't know the total plans of it. They usually have this long little thing down there. And I think they're trying to upgrade to compete with Corolli Park. And hopefully, because they have a lot of people come out, a lot of kids, a lot of families come out here. And I guess they're trying to upgrade it, because it's been the same way for a long time since I've been here for 20-some years. It's Juneteenth 2026, and I'm out here in Forsyth Park. I've been wanting to get this interview out the way, or just to show y'all a little visual. That's the new baseball park, where they have Neville softball and everything going on. Like I said, they're doing a lot of landscape out here. And it's Juneteenth, not a lie. I got to be honest with y'all. I had a real late start, and I wasn't able to get out there and really do what I wanted to do and capture some of the festivities and everything. This is what I was able to capture. And I'm gonna just give y'all the insight of that. But being in Monroe, Louisiana has been a blessing to me, you know. I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, but when we come down here for Katrina, I mean, we was embraced with nothing but love. So I made this my second home, adopted home. So most of my videos is gonna be according to that. So the park is clear today because it's Juneteenth. But I'm looking at this structure here, and it's kind of unique. And I just want to give a glimpse of it. It's called the Century Art Wall. Let me give y'all a good look at it. That's what we got here. I don't know the history of it, and I'm just putting it on my channel because I'm doing this video. You know, I don't know the people, I don't know the background. I'm just doing the video right now. So this is anytime. This is Juneteenth. Your boy DC Banks out here in Monroe, Louisiana. Y'all gonna see me probably downtown tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna try. Probably try a little food or whatever. But it's an entertainment scene. A lot of adult clubs, meaning grown and sexy. You know, have your best gear on or whatever you want to do. Everything is cool, everything copacetic, not too much problems, not too much troubles out there. To come downtown is on Desiard Street, right around the corner from the new Hotel Monroe. Your boy DC Banks, y'all know I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana. And you know, we have a lot of things going on and popping down here, but this city is growing heavy. And it's starting with downtown. So I want y'all to come downtown. Y'all might see me down there, y'all might not. But some of the places I suggest, I recommend, it's because I experienced it and I tried it. So a little bit later on, I'm gonna bring y'all downtown, give y'all a little bit of the experience there. And I'm gonna probably showcase some kind of food I might taste. I might even show y'all a little how my pool game coming along. So I'm out here downtown Monroe at the Billboards on Desiard Friday night. And it's a mellow night. It's Juneteenth taking over everything tonight, so it's kind of more laid back. You'll be bumping out here. It's kind of like the night. It's going to get packed a little bit more later on. It's the Billboards. Nothing to check it out, see what's going on the inside. I'm here inside of downtown Billboards Street in Monroe, Louisiana. As y'all can see, let me show y'all all the little tables. I come here every now and again. Louisiana. The Billboards of Desiard is downtown right across from Papi. And it is Friday night. I'm going to be here a little bit later on. I might shoot some pool. I'm pool shop. so to speak,
at Billboards.
But
I'm gonna shoot a quick game of pool right quick. My boy just pulled up and we just finna just shoot a quick game.
I'm not gonna be able to record everything, but see how my skills is. It's been a while.
So I'm downtown Monroe, Louisiana. Your boy DC Banks. As y'all can see, everything on and popping. This is downtown Bullos. I shot a little pool game. Testing my skills and improving. Because I ain't been on pool scene in a minute. I'm gonna see if I can find me something to eat. So I'm downtown Monroe. Downtown at Papi Loco. Your boy Papi Loco.
Papi Loco.
Papi Loco. Yeah, Papi Loco. No finna try.
Papi Loco Taco Shop. So I'm trying out these street tacos. I'm going with the carne asadilla, el paso, and the pork carnitas.
And the price for all them total up to at least about roughly $9. But you can't beat that. And I'm gonna give you all an accurate idea. Like I said, it's downtown Monroe, Louisiana. And this is one of the spots that you probably come to and check out some of their food. And it's a Mexican joint. Some of the food has arrived.
So I'm gonna try the beef taco. See exactly what this is working with. I mean, there's a lot of generous amount of beef in there. A lot of onions and everything.
You definitely taste the beef in it. The onions. The beef is thin. All out there. The pork is kind of tough. I think you're gonna have to eat it with some kind of sauce. And like I said, I recommend all of them to be tasted with the sauce. It's kind of like a spicy avocado sauce. If you want to put it and describe it. I'm gonna taste this one. Just tasting it without the sauce. I like it. I like it. And you could taste the fresh corn in the taco.
Make sure you get the one with the beef. And also get the sauce.
I enjoy it. I enjoy the tacos. I enjoy the music. It's authentic Mexican restaurant, so expect that.
As you can see, the ambiance is real. And it's just a laid-back crowd, we'll say. Did y'all enjoy? Excuse me. Did y'all enjoy? Did y'all enjoy?
We did.
Yeah, Papi Loco. And I did enjoy the tacos. Everything was
My expectation of, I mean, I give it a positive experience. Come down here and check it for yourself. And this is downtown. So I'm leaving Papi Locos, downtown Monroe, Louisiana. I'm gonna give y'all a suggestion. Come down here and try it yourself. If you like Mexican food, if you like tacos. And it's more than just tacos too. You got a variety of everything that's going on down in that. But you got to come down here, look at the menu and try things for yourself and then go from there. But as you can see, the strip is very, very heavy. Shit's crazy tonight. Down here downtown Bullos. I mean, shooting pool. Shit crazy in there. Your boy DC Banks, downtown Monroe, Louisiana. One of the best areas you can come down here and visit for tourism. And if you're a local, come try them out. And that's the... I mean, it's on and popping tonight. It's a Friday night, Juneteenth. A weekend, a month, and they balling up in, yeah. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd, it's always a big turnout.
mostly Fridays and Saturdays. You catch the crowd kind of live. Y'all can see the strippers very heavy tonight. Like the price of Friday night, Juneteenth weekend. And I just ate some tacos from Pepe Taco. Downtown Monroe, Louisiana. Kind of wind it down. Like I said, it's Juneteenth month. But this is the weekend. I wasn't able to get down there at Grambling State University and get the content that I needed and wanted. So I went to my go-to spot, downtown Monroe, Louisiana. And they ain't let me down. I tasted me some tacos. 3 different kinds. I can't pronounce all the names, but y'all have to come there. It's Taco Loco. Y'all have to go down there and try for yourself. Your boy DC Banks out here in Monroe, Louisiana. One love. DC Banks checking in from Forsyth Park. Y'all know I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, but I'm here in Monroe, Louisiana at Forsyth Park. And it's Juneteenth weekend, Juneteenth month. You know, celebrating the black culture, the SBCUs and everything like that. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I missed a lot of footage from earlier. But I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit something later on tonight, probably be from downtown. Downtown is on and popping. It reminds me a lot of New Orleans, not exactly like it, but when you're talking about food, culture, fun, you know, it's a lot of drinking or whatever you need to come down to, a lot of grown and sexy venues. So if you're in Monroe, or if you're visiting Monroe, at the Monroe Inn Hotel, they got a new hotel, Hotel Monroe, come downtown and you'll get a little bit concept of where it's going, where the future is going, because it's an upcoming giant. Like I say, I don't say it's upcoming, it's an upcoming giant for us. It's the touristic, when you're coming up north, and visit downtown. Take nothing away from West Monroe downtown, but if you want to get off into the grown and sexy entertainment area, where they have live bands, live concerts and stuff like that, plenty of good food, you want to be downtown Monroe. Your boy DC Banks out here in Monroe, Louisiana at Forsyth Park. My love.